Good morning viewers, welcome to today's session and also welcome to my channel, Srinivas channel. I am very thankful to you for your great support and encouragement. The same I am expecting in the future also. In the last session, I explained about the structure of chloroplast, or we can say T.S.of chloroplast. Today we are going to discuss where the chloroplast is located in the plant leaf. Let us see with the help of a diagram. The outer layer, what I am drawn is with the blue color, indicates the upper cuticle, and beneath that the black colored single layered cells indicates the upper epidermis, which are compactly arranged without any intercellular spaces between them. Now I am drawing with the blue color elongated cylindrical cells with narrow intercellular spaces between them. Those cells which are cylindrical and elongated are generally called as palisade parenchyma. And it is generally two-layered in the transverse section of leaf. And these cells are containing number of green colored cellular organelles, usually named as chloroplasts. With red color I am indicating they are called chloroplasts. In each cell of the plant leaf there are around about 50 to 150 chloroplasts are arranged, and they are the main sites for the photosynthesis. And beneath the palisade parenchyma, now I am going to draw the spongy parenchyma. Those cells are irregularly arranged without any proper sequence, but having large air spaces between them, and most of the cells are spindle or disc shaped with large intercellular spaces between them. And these cells are generally termed as spongy tissue with less number of chloroplasts. These red colored dots indicates the chloroplasts. you see the number of chloroplasts in the spongy parenchyma and palisade parenchyma, the number varies. In palisade parenchyma, there are more number of chloroplasts, and whereas in spongy parenchyma, there are less number of chloroplasts. Are you following? Then here you can find in the blue colored single layer cells at the bottom of the diagram having small hole-like interruptions, and they are covered with a kidney-shaped cells called guard cells, and small interruptions or holes or openings are called stomata. And beneath the lower epidermis, there is another layer like upper cuticle. Here you can find lower cuticle that I am drawing with a black color sketch. Okay. Now at the center of the leaf, we can see the different tissue cells, and these cells are in the shape of a bundle, and this bundle is named as vascular bundle. In Latin language, vascular means channels or tube-like structures, and in this vascular bundle, the upper tissue, half of the upper tissue is having rough and thick cells. Those are named as xylem, and down we may find the smooth cells which appear smooth in nature, called phloem. So in this way, the transverse section of leaf we can draw in a simple manner. Now I am labeling the parts. This is called upper epidermis, upper cuticle, and this tissue is called palisade parenchyma. Okay, and this tissue is called phloem. Okay, and this is called lower epidermis. And this black color one, upper epidermis. And this is called xylem tissue, and these red colored dots are called chloroplasts, and the black colored cells are called spongy tissue, and these are the air spaces between the spongy cells, and these red colored cells called guard cells, and in between this guard cell we can find the hole called stomata. And this total structure, vascular bundle. So when we cut a rio leaf which is very thin in a single stroke and put on the slide and add one drop of water and press it with a cover slip and a blunt end of the needle, then you can see the arrangement of cells in the transverse section of leaf. The upper layer of the upper surface of leaf is called upper cuticle. Beneath that, single celled layer cells which are compactly arranged without any intercellular spaces between them, called upper epidermis. And just beneath that, the suspended cylindrical elongated cells in two rows are called palisade parenchyma, containing numerous chloroplasts in them. And just beneath that, the irregularly spindle-shaped cells with large air spaces are arranged. The total cells are called spongy tissue. They contain chloroplasts very less in number when compared to the chloroplasts present in the palisade parenchyma. Then the last, on the lower surface of the leaf, the layer of cells with some gaps. The gaps are filled with two kidney-shaped cells with a middle one aperture or hole. That hole is called stomata, and the kidney-shaped cells are called guard cells. And beneath this lower layer, that is called lower epidermis, there is a lower cuticle is arranged. Beneath the lower epidermis, there is a layer on the lower surface of the leaf called lower cuticle. And if you see at the center, there is a bundle-like structure. This bundle-like structure is called vascular bundle, and the upper cells are having thick cell walls, so they are appearing rough. The cells and tissue is called xylem tissue, and just beneath that, inside the vascular bundle, the cells are with a thin layer and looking very smooth with gaps between them, named as phloem. So in this way, the transverse section of leaf we can observe. Why the upper surface of the leaf is usually dark green in color? Because of more number of chloroplasts when compared to the lower surface of the leaf, because here less number of chloroplasts. If you press the leaf from up to down or down to up, it looks to spongy nature because of spongy tissue. On the upper surface, there are stomata, but very less in number when compared to the lower surface, because to prevent the loss of water more and more, the stomata number on the upper surface of the leaf are very less when compared to the number of stomata on the lower surface of the leaf in the lower epidermis. In this way, the T.S.of leaf we can understand with the help of the diagram. I hope you understood clearly, and watch it, like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you one and all.